This is by far one of the most advanced compact cars I've ever seen in my entire life. I don't get how they could put all of this inside this car. This is crazy. Look at this. We have massage seats. CLA is the king, I'm telling you. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Today you join me for an exclusive view and walk around of the all new 2026 model Mercedes Benz CLA. Today is the day where we will be finally experiencing it outside of the studio in real world conditions. I'm inside an underground garage in Copenhagen right now, so you can actually identify and I can also demonstrate the amazing headlights and light animations in the in and outside of this all new brand new Mercedes-Benz CLA. But before we start with the walk around, let me tell you more about this car in specific. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the all new 2026 model Mercedes-Benz CLA, which is available both as a full electric version but also as a mild hybrid. This one being the full electric version where you have two options, this being the Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 Plus, and then there's also 350. Two differences: the CLA 250 Plus is a rear-wheel drive, the 350 is an all-wheel drive. The 250 that we have here costs 53,000 euros and is the base model of the CLA Electric. The CLA Electric you can instantly identify and tell by the way the front looks, because this is all illuminated. It's a black panel and this is not a grille. If you see a grille, you know it's got an engine. Black panel illuminated means electric. Let me tell you more about the CLA 250 Plus that we have here. First of all, the rear, how do you guys like it? In addition to the exterior paint which we have here is a Cosmo Black Magno paint, which comes with the addition that we have here. Looks amazing, especially in the inside. We'll be showing you more about that. The rear looks quite special. How do you guys like it? I really love it right now. When I saw the metallic colors, I wasn't really, but now with the matte colors, it looks quite special. So the CLA 250 Plus is a rear-wheel drive with a performance output of 200 kilowatts, 272 horsepower, 0 to 106.7 seconds, and the top speed is limited at 210 kph. The max charging, actually you can charge the car from this side over here. Here you go, AC and both DC fast charging. You can charge it all the way up to 320 kilowatts, but as an option, this all new CLA can charge up to 400 kilowatts, 10 to 80% in 22 minutes, and the overall weight of the car is 2,055 kilograms. Guys, I'm telling you one thing for sure, this is by far one of the most advanced compact cars I've ever seen in my entire life. This is crazy. Mercedes went all in. Let me just show you the boot space. It's a lot. You can also put all these seats down so you have an extended space. It's a lot of space. A lot of space. And it's closing electronically. See that? The rear, however, I really like this. What do you guys think? Especially in this finish, it looks absolutely fantastic. The wheels AMG line, we also have a golden finish here since we have the addition. And when you just open up the inside, you also have this here illuminated Mercedes-Benz entrance board in gold, a floor mat with these golden finishes, and also here in the center console, this finished in matte gold. This is so crazy. And then pillar to pillar interior display unit, Tartufo brown interior finish. This is quite special. Let me jump inside and show you more of the interior and all the features. So this is the POV view inside the all new CLA. Something that I don't really like is the way they've set up this main display. So the overall display unit is literally pillar to pillar, and we have three displays inside where the co-driver's display is actually an option. So you have the main driver's display and this main display here, which you always get. The only thing I don't like is the way they have positioned it. It's just like 90 degrees straight up display setting. I wish it was more driver focused. I wish it was more curved. I wish it would be, as usual, Mercedes-Benz cocoon interior feeling. Unfortunately, we don't have that here. However, the tech and the infotainment system here is so advanced. It's quite special. We even have a camera in here, which I don't get. Why would you always put a camera inside? I would just put something on there. It's just a bit weird to have cameras all around. You can literally take pictures if you want, and then you have your gallery. You have the sound experience here to choose from, a lot of sound options. We have the Burmester speakers inside the CLA. So I will be mentioning that quite often, we are still inside a CLA compact car. This is a compact car. It's entry-level Mercedes. I don't get how they could put all of this inside this car. This is crazy. All the interior, the materials used, the tartufo brown. This finish, for example, I really love that. Golden finish instead of the piano. No more piano. You have a lot of black gloss on the displays. However, you can have a nice contrast here with the wood. So you also get that here on the door panel with the matte golden finish tartufo brown and the inserts for the ambient lighting. Also here on the air vents, which are illuminated. They look kind of cool. The overall finish and quality of this car here is quite solid. The finishing, the quality, the build materials, it's honestly, it's for CLA, this is quite good. If you just compare it with any other car from the competition, the tech you get inside this car, you even, let me show you one thing. Look at this. We have massage seats. I mean, the massage is quite simple, literally down here. That's about it. But which compact car comes with massage seats? Which one? Comfort in general here, you can set the seat positions. You have 3 presettings. Heated steering wheel, guys. This is crazy, honestly. The overall finish, the quality, all the innovations and technology inside this car is crazy. All the apps you can download, games you can play. If you have a co-driver's display, the co-driver will be kind of amused while driving or traveling in style. He can watch whatever he wants, stream videos, YouTube, whatever. Something quite cool. A lot of space, cup holders, unfortunately not covered. I wish this was covered. There's no cover at all. Wireless charging right over here. Then we even have a tunnel down there where you can put your cable from here. Here you can see that's a tunnel. So you don't have the cables laying all around here. The seats in general, the overall finish, the design looks quite special. Tartufo brown is the color to choose. And we get a lot of light from the humongous panoramic sunroof. All in all, guys, this car is great. I mean, if you just look at it design wise, yeah, it's a matter of taste. Either you like it or you don't. Interior is the same, but when we only focus on the technology and on the reach, for example, 582 kilometers real world reach with 83% inside a compact car is a statement. I'm telling you, 83. If you put it up all the way to 100%, you almost 650, 700 kilometers of range, depending on your driving style. If you're going full eco mode, you can literally get all the way up to 700 kilometers easy. And I'm not talking about WLTP. 700 kilometers is doable with this car. So Mercedes-Benz has smashed it. So it's extremely simple to, for example, start the drive. The way they did it also with the infotainment is easy to understand. It's not even complicated. It's really simple. Put it in drive. That's it. You're finished with your driving. All you gotta do is push this here. Here you go. That's it. That's it. That's how simple it gets. Something that is too simple for me is the key. It's way too small, it's way too slim, it's way too light. It literally feels like a toy and I don't like this. I wish we had a bigger one, aluminum case, but overall plastic design doesn't really fit the Mercedes-Benz luxury strategy. So give us a better key at this point. And when you just look at all the overall tech and innovations, this car is the car. Mercedes-Benz setting a statement here, benchmarking compact class segment is done. CLA is the king, I'm telling you. We will be driving it soon. Stay tuned for the driving impressions. Overall design is all up to you, matter of taste. But if you just talk about all the innovations, all the technology, and this car is for 50,000 euros base price with tax included in Germany, is a statement. Mercedes-Benz has done a great job. How do you guys like the car? Please leave it in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.